Okay, now we have to start looking at types of chemical reactions, and today we are going to see combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? A reaction in which two or more than two reactants combine to form a single product. We'll try to understand this in a bit more details. Suppose we have on the left hand side any two or more than two substances. Okay, there can be more than two substances, but at least there should be two substances, and they are combining together to form a single substance, right? So what you have to keep in mind is that on the left hand side there should be at least two reactants, and on the right hand side there should be only one single product. Now such a kind of reaction is called a combination reaction. So here there are two or more than two reactants, and here on the right hand side there is only a single product, and such a kind of reaction is called a combination reaction. We'll take a look at an example of such a reaction. Suppose we have a beaker, and in the beaker we shall be putting some water. Okay, so we shall just put some water into this beaker like this, and then we shall put into it some pieces of calcium oxide. Now after some time these pieces of calcium oxide will start reacting with water. This reaction will become quicker if we stir it with the help of a glass rod or a stick, and we shall see that some kind of bubbles are coming out from this reaction, and after some time we shall not be able to see these pieces of calcium oxide anymore. So what has happened is, here we have this calcium oxide, and here we have water, and these two substances are reacting, and after reaction they have formed over here a new substance and a single substance, and that substance is calcium hydroxide. Now since in this reaction two substances have combined to form a single substance, this is an example of a combination reaction. So we'll just write down the reaction. Calcium oxide, which is a solid, it reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, which is an aqueous solution. Now this chemical equation is already balanced, so we need not do anything further. Another example is the example of combination of hydrogen and oxygen to form water, which we have seen several times. So H2 plus O2 forms H2O. Now in order to balance this, we know that we can put a 2 over here and a 2 over here. And we can also write the states. This is a gas, this is a gas, and this is liquid. So these are two examples where we see that two reactants are combining to form a single product. So these are examples of combination reaction. So we'll take a short break, and in the next video we shall take a look at other types of chemical reactions. Thank you.